If your LG is not cooling properly, there are a few things you can check and try to fix the issue. First, make sure the thermostat is set to the correct temperature and cooling mode because sometimes it's accidentally set to fan mode instead of cool. Next, check the air filters if they are clogged with dust and dirt. The airflow gets restricted, reducing cooling efficiency, so cleaning or replacing them can make a big difference. Also inspect the outdoor unit to ensure it's not blocked by debris or dirt since proper airflow is necessary for the system to work effectively. Low refrigerant levels could also be a problem, which usually requires a professional technician to diagnose and refill if needed. Additionally, check if the AC's evaporator and condenser coils are clean because dirt buildup can cause inefficient cooling. If the unit is running but not cooling well, resetting the AC by turning it off, unplugging it for a few minutes, and then turning it back on might help. Sometimes electrical issues like a faulty capacitor or compressor failure can be the cause, in which case professional repair might be required. If none of these solutions work, contacting LG customer support or an HVAC expert is the best option to get your AC back to cooling efficiently.